It is October 30th, 2019, and James Gossell is attempting his first through run of the Foothills Trail, 76 to 77 mile, depending on which map you look at. He chose today because it was going to be the 10th anniversary of his first trail run, and and so no matter what the conditions, he was out here. It actually was beautiful conditions until today, and he's had 100% rain since he started at 2 a.m. At this moment, it is not raining, so he still has a lot of canopy from all of the leaves because they haven't fell yet. So hopefully he's warm enough. Hopefully he's dry enough. But I am on my way to retrieve James. Last time I checked, he seemed to be holding around a 22-hour mark, meaning I should run into him within an hour, hour and a half on trail. He should be about 8 miles out. I get him in about 4 and a half. So we'll do a check-in once we rendezvous with James, who is absolutely a gritty guy. You can see what he's getting himself into, but he's got a good crew to rally him for the last 30 miles or so. So, over and out. Yeah, everything's good. Everyone's watching. Everything's working. Everything's good. You're doing great. Hell yeah. I was just, I knew that I was gonna see you soon, but it was gonna be more or less 15 to 20 minutes, so. Oh, okay. Okay. I thought I heard voices. Yeah, so there's another guy up here about 2 miles. He'll probably be at the top once we get back. But yeah, it was surprising seeing other people. Fill me in, how are you? You're doing fantastic. Anything that needs to be addressed that you need me to be aware of?
I just had to remind myself, it took me a while to remember that things would get better because I didn't want to continue my speed. And that was sort of the crucial point. I think that my day so far was like, I thought if I could keep my gut to race it there, but I couldn't even do it.
Yeah. When's the last time you ate? Okay. All right. Are you still peeking? Okay. We got a calorie up at the top for sure. That's going to be a goal, is to choke down as much as possible.
A little bit. I'm probably like 6 behind.
As far as calories?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Great job, dude. You just did one of the hardest parts. Yeah, buddy. All right, my man. Get over. Yeah, go straight across. All right, a little update. Do you know what time it is of the day? 3:35. And as I was going to get James, got lit up by a bee. So, type 2 fun all the time. Who would have guessed that there was going to be freaking yellow jackets out here? Stung me right in the damn face. $3:35:30. 3:36. Good job, man. 3:36 in the afternoon. All right, James is coming out here. Sloan Bridge, 507. Here you go, buddy. Come on in. We got everything ready for you. We got everything ready for you here. Got the foam roller there. Okay. All right. James is leaving after about 3.5, 4 minutes of being here at Sloan Bridge. Go get it, bud. Hey, right here to your right. Yep. Cut down to your left. All right, buddy. We'll see you in a couple miles. All right. Stay strong, man. Get it, buddy. We got you a chair ready with all your clothes out. We got a fresh dry jacket for you. Now, I just need to know what you want for your next 4-mile stretch. What are you craving?
Nothing.
Okay, all right. Okay, I tell you what, you want to try the soup?
Not really.
Okay. I'll tell you.
So I want an orange or two.
Okay, cool.
That sounds good.
Okay. Because think about it, it's just 4 miles, so, you know,
Yeah, but I want to stay on top of calories. I can.
absolutely.
I think I want a bowl of oatmeal and coffee at Sunbreak.
Okay, heard. We'll have you there.
And
You said coffee and oatmeal. Okay, heard.
Lower bar.
Okay.
How about one of like chocolate chips or something like that?
Okay.
And so this chocolate.
Okay. I mean, if he rallies on these flat parts, I mean, he's even flirting around with 21.5 or 21 if you guys rally.
Great job.
But it just all depends. Good job, man.
Great job.
To the chair.
All right, James.
Good job, Bo.
Hey, man. Really good, dude.
Yeah.
All right.
Feel pretty good.
Okay.
I'm ready, dude. I've been ready all day. I have not been able to.
All right, he was in at
I've not
6:04. You are literally 1 minute ahead of 22-hour pace, so you are chewing at it, man. All right, all dry clothes are right there.
Okay.
Go ahead and shed. If you want to get naked, get in my car or drop trowel right here.
Yeah.
But the cameras are going to ready for it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Do whatever you want to do, man.
Yeah, the car comes just through a towel.
Yep, you're good, man. Drop them. Do your thing. And all right, whoa.
Headlamp.
Yep. That's exactly what I was about to say, my brother. It's fully charged. You're ready to go. All right, so you've been here for 4 minutes.
Thanks for saying lube, guys, by the way. I would have been chafing in like 5 minutes if I hadn't put some lube on.
I had one of your nipple hairs on my squirrel nut butter for like a month.
Just avoid, just dodge the spot.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
All right, big guy. All right.
All right, get out of here, guys. It's 6:08. We'll see you in 4 miles, okay?
All right.
All right, guys. Have fun out there.
You're doing great.
All right,
Good job, guys.
we'll see you on a little bit. Y'all have fun. Woo! Rally up, baby. You're almost done now. All right, y'all. It is 7:12. He is still on 22-hour pace. Woo! Let's go, guys! Yeah! We got some oatmeal ready for him. We got some coffee ready for him. He's got 16 miles. Let's go, guys!
Here they come.
Yo, yo, yo! All right, here we are. We just left mile 60, and James had left around 7:28. A little behind on a 22-hour schedule, but he's doing good. So yeah, he's about 15 minutes behind of a 22-hour, and we are at mile. Hold on, let's see. What mile are we at? We're meeting him right here at Winding Stair. We're at mile 70. That's where we are. We could go see him down there, but honestly, there's no reason.
Okay, so
we just drive down it. Yeah.
70.1.
Yep. So he should get here at his pace right now about 10:30. But if he can make it here at 10:14, that means everything's going good.
Yeah.
So we're looking at 2 hours at least. All right, man.
All right. He's crushing this thing.
Yeah, man. I mean,
the
at these conditions, like, good job, guys. Yeah, you did. You came in early.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. All right. Do y'all need anything? All right. Hell yeah, James. All right. Hey, we'll see. Nope. Go straight. Yep. All right. We're gonna rally to the end, and we'll see y'all in a little bit. Okay? Yep. And then we're gonna come back in, reverse, and meet you.
We'll meet you at some point in.
That's right.
All right.
All right, guys.
Boys, that's it.
Keep that morale high. You're almost done, brother. Woo! Get it, James.
Grab my leg.
Straight across. Right to the left. Good. Good job, bro.
Yeah, 54.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Tag the sign on the right coming
On the
up.
right-hand side is the terminus.
Yep.
Yep.
That's it. Touch that bad boy. Touch it. 1:54:13. Yeah! Woo! 23 hours, 53 minutes.
Oh my God, yes.